For Science 3.1, Part 2, you're going to be going on a nature walk. As you go on your nature walk, you're going to be collecting some plant samples that you can find. So whether you're in your yard, your neighborhood, a park nearby, anywhere that you will be able to find some things and collect them. I would like you to collect 3 to 4 plant samples. So it could be plants, leaves, pine cones, seeds, anything that has to do with plants. So here's one that I have found on my nature walk. I can see I've got some leaves up here, some very, very small flowers. I have the stem, and I was even able, when I pulled it out, to get some of the roots. So what you guys are going to do with these samples that you found, in your science journal, you're going to create this chart. Your first column is going to be description and diagram of plant sample, plant structures visible on the sample, and it could be structure or structures depending on how big or what exactly your sample is, and then the function of the structures that you see. Okay, so this is my first one. I'm going to label this one number 1, and I'm just going to draw a quick sketch of it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So there's my long stem. It's got the roots kind of coming out like that. The top, we've got some leaves. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to get the idea. And then these are going to be the little flower clusters that I can see on there. Okay, so there's my diagram. So my quick description, I'm going to put that it has roots, small, green, and red leaves. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're kind of like a reddish, almost look purple on the screen, leaves. So I wanted to include that they were different colors. So I'm going to put small flower clusters. Okay, let me zoom in just a little bit for you. So there's my diagram and my quick description of what I see. Now, in my description, I've already listed a couple of the plant structures. Okay, I can see the roots. I can see the stem. I can see leaves. And I can see flowers. Okay, so I would list those there. And then in my third column, I would write what the function of those 4 are. Now, if you don't remember off the top of your head, go back to the lessons we did last week and the videos we watched from BrainPop, because remember, those will tell you what the different functions of those different plant structures are. All right, you will be turning in your chart when you are finished today. You should have 3 to 4 entries on your chart, because that's how many samples you're going to collect. If it doesn't all fit on one page, you can certainly extend your chart onto a second page if you need to.